This is the bilateral linear line hop. So bilateral meaning both feet in this case, and then linear meaning forward and backwards. Okay, so what you're gonna do is find a seam on the floor. So these mats are great, they all have seams. You can find it on the turf here as well, but what you wanna do is make sure you set an athletic base. So toes and hips are straight, pushing hips back into a good hinge position. So butt back like I'm sitting down, chest up tall so I'm not leaning over the toes. From there, I want a little daylight underneath your heels, so I'm on the ball of the foot. From there, it's gonna be a hop, both feet over and both feet back. And then you wanna make that as smooth as possible from transitioning from front to back. Things you wanna focus on is one, keeping a good center of mass, and so we're not leaning too far forward onto the toes and falling, but really using those hips and glutes, keeping core engaged. And then you wanna get as many or as quick as you can once you can maintain that. You want to be able to hop over the line and not drag, or I call it squeak across the floor. So I don't want to drag my feet across, but I want to pop over and back. Okay? A couple things to think about is you want to maintain this posture here, not start to creep with the toes in together. I'm much more stable from this base than I am from this base. And then also what you want to do is maintain feet landing at the same time. So I want to hear one noise with the feet, not a 1-2 and a 1-2. All right, so thinking one pop over, one pop back, staying nice and low at the hips, and then getting over that line as many times as you can. It's a bilateral linear line hop.